Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Qunol Turmeric supplement. You should buy this supplement or not. Does it really work? If it will work, how much time it will take to give you results? Okay, so basically this supplement is made from turmeric. Okay, and turmeric is a very popular herb in Ayurveda, and you can say like there are so many benefits related to turmeric. If you have any kind of inflammation in your body, then turmeric is also a very magic herb. And if you have any kind of, you can say like injury related to your joint, related to your bone, then this is also a very good herb. And if you have any kind of, you can say like immunity related problem, then this is also a very good herb. It will also increase your strength. Okay, so there are so many benefits of turmeric. But if we talk about this brand, Qunol is also a very popular brand, and they are approx 19 years in this field. So they have good repute, and they have different kinds of product also. So basically they are this is a very good brand. Okay, so if we talk about you should buy this supplement or not, yes, definitely you can buy this product and you can use this product. It will support your joint health, it will increase, you can like, it will support your inflammation in your body. So there are so many benefits of taking this supplement. But the actual thing is, when you buy this product, you will not get instant results. Okay, you will get results after 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, we can say like approx 4 to 6 weeks. After 4 to 6 weeks you will see some noticeable changes. And when you consistently use this product for you can like approx 3 months, that is approx like we can say 12 weeks, then after 12 weeks you will see amazing results. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video. And if we talk about like how to take this supplement, basically you can take one capsule per day, or you can also take 2 capsules if you are an adult. And if you have any kind of health conditions, then you can consult your healthcare professional, okay, before taking this supplement. Okay, so bye bye, take care.